Lately, I have been hearing this one sentence everywhere: AI is going to replace developers. And honestly, I get why people are scared. It's a weird time to be in tech. Layoffs, hiring freezes, AI tools doing things that felt impossible just a year ago. But the more I think about it, the more I feel like AI is not the real problem. The real problem is something we don't like talking about: mediocre skills. And I don't say that in an insulting way. I include myself in this conversation too. Whenever something goes wrong in an industry, we look for one thing to blame. Right now, AI is that thing. But if you really look closely, most companies are not replacing people with AI. They are replacing people with fewer people who know how to use AI well. AI didn't suddenly make companies greedy, it just made inefficiency more obvious. When I say mediocre, I'm not talking about talent or intelligence. I'm talking about habits, something like always relying on tutorials, writing code that works but don't know how this code is working, being productive but not really understanding the system, avoiding hard concept because it's not needed right now. For a long time, this was enough. But tech was growing fast, and AI is really good at this exact level of work. AI is really good at average task. It can be writing standard code, fixing the obvious bugs, generating the UI layouts, explaining the documentation, and even refactoring the stuff at decent level. And that's the scary part, because if your entire role is built around things that are standard and predictable, yeah, AI is going to sit right next to you. But here is what AI still cannot really do well: it cannot understand messy human problems, it cannot decide what actually matters in a product, it cannot take responsibility when things break at 2 a.m., and it cannot sit in the meeting and say, "This is a bad idea, and here is why." Those things don't come from the typing speed, they come from thinking, and thinking is a skill most of us haven't intentionally trained. I think the biggest danger with AI isn't job loss, it's mental laziness. We ask AI to write the code, debug the error, explain the concept, and make the decision. And slowly, without realizing it, we stop struggling. But struggling is where learning happens. If you never sit with confusion, you don't grow. You just ship faster and stay shallow. I'm not saying don't use AI, that would be stupid. Use it, but use it actively. Ask it something like, why this approach? What are the trade offs? What happens if this fail? And is there any other way to do the same task? Treat AI like a junior developer you are reviewing, not like a brain you are renting. If you are just starting out, please hear this clearly. Don't try to become AI proof. That's not realistic. Instead, become fundamentally strong, understand how things work under the hood, why certain decisions are made, and how system behaves, not just how to use tools. Framework will change, trends will die, but understanding lasts. I genuinely believe this. AI won't replace people who think deeply about their work. It will replace people who stopped trying to get better because things were comfortable. If you are scared right now, that's okay. Just don't let that fear turn into avoidance. Learn slowly, think deeply, and don't outsource your brain. That's it for this Sunday's video, and I'll see you in the next one.